Dear student, how are you? I hope you are well. This is the class of English 1. Previous class I taught you about grammatical items that is related to pronoun. Now I discuss English first unit 5 lesson 1. The title name you can see and you can notice on the whiteboard. This is the great of the mighty rivers. The great of the mighty rivers. You know, this is English first paper basically is known as English literature in the literature or literal student. Okay, you know, if you think if we are going to read about English first paper, most of the student when they go to read English first paper or when they go to think about English first paper, so there is a lack of thinking in behind of the student, because this is the easier than English grammatical title. So it is the superstation for the students. Superstation means kusamskar, or there is a lack of excellency and there is a lack of idea in this subject. So the great of the mighty rivers, mighty means mighty, powerful. I mean mighty, powerful, great, lobhi, ba, you mean hunger. Okay, the great of the mighty rivers. Great of mighty rivers title, যে শক্তিশালী powerful river makes everything destruction, or this kind of rivers in Bangladesh destroy the protection of embankment who lives the area of shelterless. Okay, now I will discuss the vital point about the comprehension. Meherjan is the major character in the title of the great of the mighty rivers. Meherjan is a major character here. We find this is the beginning sentence I write on the whiteboard. Meherjan lives in a slum on the protection of bank environment. When a man has no shelter, he decided to take shelter the other areas in our country. So we are victim. When the monsoon comes or erosion happens, this is the second one. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. Here I mean to say Meherjan is a woman of homeless and also shelterless. By following the crisis of river erosion, Meherjan took shelter in the river of bank of the embankment or river embankment. Okay, so that's why when as a woman, Meherjan, for surviving her life, when he make fire by cooking or hand to mouth, Meherjan decided to cook her cooking together a lot of straw or falling leaves, okay, to make fire so that she can warm up herself in the livelihood, জীবিকা, livelihood, জীবিকা যেন সে কি করতে পারে, মেনটেন করতে পারে। I mean to say, Meherjan as a woman, she tries to make the livelihood anyhow, any situation in the society because she faces a crisis of erosion. I mean, river. The second one, erosion is a harsh reality for the people. Erosion, I mean, to destroy the property, assets or treasures or wealth. I mean wealth, treasures. Treasure means assets. Assets means property. Okay. Now, if we can't take prompt action to adapt to climate, before that, erosion is a harsh reality for the people. According to the line, I think, according to the passage, okay, it is calculated, it is estimated that river erosion makes at least 100,000 people homeless every year in Bangladesh. So it is noted that there is a huge crisis when monsoon turns into the floods. Okay, and also the title, The Great of Mighty Rivers, makes us understanding the fact. The fact is the erosion of river. The erosion of river, and also the whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. There is a close connected sentence between the erosion makes the people homeless and the whispering wind. Whispering, I mean to say whispering conspiracy wind, okay, that makes the people unsteady. And in the many cases in Bangladesh, okay, in the many cases of Bangladesh, we the people on behalf of Bangladesh face the erosion of river. Okay, that's why this is the vital point and vital unit 5. I mean, this is the title name, The Great of the Mighty Rivers is Connected Man and Climate, okay, and man and nature, and man and environment. So the great of the mighty rivers is closely connected man and climate. Okay, so you have to realize the fact, you have to realize or apprehend the issue so that you can make up your understanding on any comprehension or any passage. I mean seen passage, not unseen passage here. So I hope you try to understand later. See you again.